Hey, my unique followers! It's me, Kelly, the mastermind behind Unique Designs. We're back with another tutorial on how to buy off of Tedooo. Now, please note, I don't get paid by Tedooo to do these videos. I do these because I see there's a need for information and you guys want to know how to do certain things. So, let's get into it. Now, you've downloaded the app. Now let's go over to your app, your Tedooo app. Tap your Tedooo app and it will pull up your main feed. This is what you'll look like when you see it. You can scroll through and find something you would like. Or you can go to Discover, which is the little magnifying glass at the bottom. And you can select whatever you want. Some quick categories. You can shop off of there for top. Or you can go over to a section called items and you can just pick an item from that section, whatever you're looking for. This time we're going to look at fluid art jewelry, which is really cute, by the way. But they will have the name of the item, how much, pictures of the item details. If you tap it, will give you more details. It just depends on how the seller sets it up. The same thing with customization. It depends on if in the description, if the seller goes, hey, I want pink or blue or whatever color you decide that they have available, you add it in your customization. And then you would click buy this item or add to basket. Add to basket is if you want to shop and add more things from that particular seller's catalog. You can do that. But if you just want this item, you just click buy this item. And it will take you to a next screen, which will have you fill out your shipping information and any other details that the seller needs. I have an order already. You see in the bottom corner where it says orders and it's lit. You just tap that and it will take you over to your orders. Like I do selling and buying, so we're going to go to the buying section. This is my current order, which actually just came in today. When you send your request to buy, it sends a notification to the seller to let them know, hey, you have an order for either they can calculate your shipping cost, and then they'll send you the option for payment method, what they accept for payment method. Now, forgive me, I go back and forth because I'm trying to remember if I actually confirmed that I sent payment, and I also don't want to resend payment and confuse her. So if you've done that, you will click that I've sent payment. Click I sent payment. As again, you see I get confused. I'm confusing myself here. But you send a payment in this screen after you have copied and pasted whatever you're using, whether it's PayPal, Venmo, whatever you decide to use as your payment method. You'll come back to this screen, click sent payment, and then click I sent payment, and it'll take you to the next step, which is sends a notification to the seller to let you know that you have sent them payment and that they could be able to send you your shipping details so you could track everything in this app. And it lets the seller know where they're at in their orders. So if they forget something or there's a problem, they can get to you right away, message you, and let you know if there's anything you need to know. So this is all for today. I'll be posting more videos on the seller's side for Tedooo. So until then, be unique, be you, and I'll see you next time.